Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
So this is what we were after. Remove the two stock tabs to be able to install this bracket from the RP Race Kit. Now we're going to get on to grinding that upper center section once I remove this left-hand spar piece.
Sound right, boy. Trimmed out that upper center section to make clearance for the cam cover. I'm going to need to drill a hole here for that upper frame brace. That's going to go like so. Then I need to drill that hole. So that's what's going to be coming up next. Okay, I changed the rear engine mounts, removed the stock ones, and installed these. The right one's bigger, the left one's skinnier. Gives clearance for the swing arm when it comes onto the chain side. I'm going to set the motor in and get that lower engine mount situated.
close-up shots of how the engine mounts go into it. Fits very nice. There's that upper spar. I drilled the hole, I just need to nut and bolt it. I'm not worried about that right this second. Cylinder head's attached. There's the other side of that. That's just tack welded. I'm going to be removing the engine, and I'm going to finish weld that. Brackets are really nice. They're made out of stainless, so it gets a little tough because you're trying to TIG weld stainless to steel using 309L wire, which is compatible with the two. But it would have come out a whole lot nicer if the whole thing was one or the other, either stainless or steel. Another area that needs to be addressed, I'm going to have to make a gusset for, is the steering lower bearing support. It has two cracks on this side and one on the other. So I need to make a gusset to go around here and then fill this gap in, or at least most of it. So we're going to come up with something like that. That'll be in the future parts.